What do you have? What do you have in there? Tilly, can you tell Dad what you have? What is that? What do you have there?
Worm.
A worm. Where are we going to put him? Should we go bring him in the garden?
Yeah.
Okay. You put him in your bucket? Okay. Oh. Hi, worm.
Okay, worm. Hello.
Oh, should we go put him in the garden?